outside. Let's. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be vlogging. So we just got back from Texas 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 2 days ago, whatever. So the house is a little bit in a mess. So I'm gonna be cleaning and organizing, and I'm supposed to get a special package today from my mother. So I'm gonna be looking out for that. And I have to go to the labs today at Naval. Then that's pretty much it, I think. So just lots of organizing, cleaning, just going about my day. Special package. So I did already make food for Justin. He already left for work. But I got these croissants, almond croissants from Trader Joe's. I'll show you. So this is what they look like. So on these, I just put chocolate and powdered sugar, and then just powdered sugar. And I'm going to put them on here. I'm gonna eat this one for dessert. Water. And I did make myself, this is our lunch for today, but I did make myself some overnight oats the other day. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and drink my water. The living room is gonna need some cleaning. I have to put that away in the garage. Put those towels away, clean the couch, pretty much. I'm gonna need a new candle. This one is on its left. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then after, I'm gonna go upstairs, shower, and just get ready for the day.
Well, you're taking this position, you said that you didn't want to be president.
I didn't know you wanted to run. You didn't consult me before you made your announcement. You didn't consult with anyone.
I'm sorry.
I'm dressed and ready for the day, except for my hair, which I'll fix it later whenever I leave the house, but right now I can't be bothered to fix it. So yesterday I started on a project. I still have a few things that I need to put up there and organize, but we moved it on this wall just because it gives more space, and I was able to put my drawers over there. But this is pretty much all my makeup is in here. Then right here I just have all my makeup wipes right here. And I still need to like style and organize all of this. But basically in these it's just like my hair. Then I have my nail stuff because I'm going to start doing my own nails. Then I just have like miscellaneous things like tanners, empty, hair tools, face stuff, and then these are empty. I'm leaving those. I'm actually gonna move this over. Yeah, so then these will all be empty when I move this one over. But it's because this is also gonna be where I'm gonna keep my Cricut stuff. So I'm just waiting for that to come in. That's a special delivery today. But I still need to organize every single thing. I'm gonna make the bed right now real quick. Next step is to clean all this so that I can put this stuff away. I went ahead and continued off camera just because it would take long, but I'm saving this one for my Cricut little my Cricut little utensils. So I'm just putting it right here. I'm hoping that the Cricut will fit right here. And then, oops, sorry, that was loud. I just have it looking like this for right now. When the Cricut gets here and some things need to move around, that's fine. So all my makeup in here, I need to throw that away. But everything is organized. Cute for whenever I film a video right here. I'll have a little cute background and the lighting is so much better. What candles should we get, Ranger? Ranger loves smelling the candles. So we have these. And it's a mess in here because I just have too much stuff. But we also have these candles. I'm thinking we either finish burning cinnamon stick, or we could finish burning cookie caramel rush. I think I'm just gonna stick with cinnamon stick. I'm actually gonna sit down on the couch for a little bit and watch TV, just because it's still really early and I don't want to rush to do everything, and then I start getting a headache because I'm like rushing, putting a time limit on things when it doesn't have to have one. So I'm just gonna sit down for a little bit and watch Designated Survivor. While my lunch is heating up, I want to show you what I got for my Cricut on Monday. So I went to Dollar Tree and they had vinyl, so I got yellow and gold, silver, white. That's my lunch. I got black, and I don't even know what color this is. Like a green. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a green. So I got that. I'm still waiting for my Cricut to come. Amazon is supposed to deliver it. They usually come later. So I'm just waiting for that to arrive. Have my lunch. And again, I'm gonna watch Designated Survivor. Here it is. Ranger already was licking the box. You have to go outside? Wanna go outside? Okay, so this box is full to the top. So as soon as you open it, like I said, it's completely full to the top. I have some markers. I guess you put it in like this. So super cool. I have the tool set. Super cute color too. Okay. It came with some vinyl and iron. Cricut vinyl and iron combo pack. So I guess it just has like how many things they have on it. Super cool. And I also have my ones from Dollar Tree right there. And then I guess this whole box is just the Cricut. So let me try to take it out. I got it out of the box. This is huge. Like, this box is huge. So it's the Cricut Maker. I think it's just the one. And it comes with all of these included in the box. Or not these. Just comes with these. Don't know again, but I'll learn. Top left corner, and then step 2, confirm the blade is set in place in the clamp B. And step 3, push mat under the guides towards the rollers. Okay, and then push the arrow button up. Press flashing go button, and it is flashing. I don't think I did that right. How much the, oh, that was fast. Okay. And then it just says actions complete, and I put okay, and then I push unload. And geez, I didn't know I made it this big. So I'm gonna take a break from the Cricut and just clean up and organize. So I did do that cut, the one with the deer, my first one, just to test it out. And then I did my name on my water bottle. I don't have any iron-on vinyl yet, so I just have like stickers, which is fine because I need to practice. But I'm organizing my vinyls in there, and then I have more that it came with. Plus, look how pretty this sparkly red is.